The Meghalaya Trinamool Congress has strongly condemned the letter issued by the Assam government seeking key information on religious conversion and number of churches in the state of Assam, among others. Talking to reporters here today, Meghalaya Trinamool Congress spokesperson George P. Lingdot termed this move as discriminatory, adding that such actions threaten the safety and security of Christians. Lingdot said that the party will fight tooth and nail against the alleged atrocities being meted out by the BJP in Assam and the entire northeast. Earlier, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has dissociated himself from the letter issued recently by an SP of the Assam Police Special Branch and said that neither was he informed about the content of the letter nor was it discussed at a government forum.
As a party, the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress condemns this discriminatory move and the ill treatment being meted to the Christian community, and this action further threatens the safety and security of Christians. As people-centric party which believes in upholding the rights of all, we will not stay silent while unsecular forces try to divide people and community on the basis of religion.